About this item: 3 USB port and QC 3.0 quick charge. Clydek Bluetooth car FM transmitter supports QC 3.0, 4x faster than standard chargers, charging efficiency over 80%. Another USB charging port can intelligently identify Android or other devices. The extra USB port is used for U-disk reading. Built-in smart IC, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, intelligent temperature control and short-circuit protection, can better protect your car and smart devices. Hands-free calling and clear stereo sound. The car Bluetooth adapter adopts CVC noise reduction technology to suppress noise and wind. It offers crystal clear and loud voice without any static interference while talking or listening. Built-in microphone, allows you to answer / hang up / reject / redial a call with just one button click. Smart broadcast navigation. The Bluetooth wireless FM transmitter supports Siri or Google Assistant. You can stay fully focused on the road by using this function to make phone